Dreaming of becoming doctor, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Ka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ka Sarkar India lingba ka Mai Bharat Nongstan haringkat ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College ha ka laipo tarik naitung araja apnrio ka penlongi ka district level program Nasha Muk Yuva for Viksit Bharat ha auditorium hall jang ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College. Lapan loi kini ka program da kajing temu ban pensyai bat ban pensul tu iki Samla halor kijing ma jong kajing di drugs uduma bat ka Kyiad ringkat kajing a jing hikai halor kajing Pyndonkam ban kajing ka bakot ka bakhya ka badon kajing git khli bat kajing long ka babaha. Lawan bani shipmenta kini ka program do Additional Deputy Commissioner ka East and West Khasi Hills District uba Diengdoh kumukongsan ringkat principal ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College uba Thangkhiu kinohi kai ki Samla puli bat kiwi pat ki riurang ba ki blasha khot ngobha. Haba ajing kran uba Diengdoh ulong. Baki Samla ki day ban long ki nong lam khamat ha ka jingele persha yo drugs pat kiwi ki jing di pen buat bat ban pen priang ya ka khubor jingeda shakiwe pat. Ulapan pauru baka social media kari ka lat ka baklan bah ban pen sngol thu pat ba bat komta ula Kyntu ki Samla ban Pyndonkam hok ya kane da ka bathau ki post pat ki video ki ba ajing hikai halor ki jingma jo drugs. Hakani ka sngi la sam ya ki khusnam shaki nong job jong ki jinge ko ba pher ki bala pen long kom shi banta jong ka jinge lam bani thu ya ka jinge shim banta bar ka jing no snyang jong ki ha ka jinge le ban te la kam ya ki jing di pen buat.
You should stay away from the drugs. You should also stay away from any type of alcohol consumptions and use of any types of tobacco. You should also come for your organized program and be a voice to spread the awareness or the knowledge about the dangers of addictions. You should also inspire others as well as your friends around you to take action, and also by doing that you will be able to free yourself and you can also build a healthy discipline and also be empowered in your generation, a very strong positive living. So the message or the 100-week missions of Nasha Muk Yuva is very clear that you are free to carry this message, to take up activity and to participate in any field and what level, because the objective and the aims is the same, that is to free youth, free anyone from the bondage of this substance abuse. Personally, I have seen myself that we used to conduct this visit in district jail in Shillong. We have seen that there are few of our youth have been a victim of this, and because they are a victim of drugs abuse or substance abuse, they have been landed in different types of crimes and have been implicated in different types of sections and law. And this has put a lot of stress on us, and we have to come out with a new plan, a new practice, how to reach out, especially to the needed one, because we have seen that it has become a great challenge of times. Departments have come out with different types of programs, different types of schemes, and in collaboration with schools, colleges, they have organized and conducted largely, but of a very little outcome, because we feel that if you, if I, if we could not come out in a better resolution, with a better decision, then only we will not be able to free ourselves from this bondage. So I urge on behalf of the district administration, I urge upon all the students the participants that in this 100-week mission, let us do something good. Let us publicize in a manner that we have been able to transform, we have been able to create a message which will deter us from being a victim of those substances. So I believe that within this program or in the future's activity that which we will be having, we will be able to give a very strong message from this district, and let us other colleges, universities of the state and the country as a whole will realize, will know, and also they will be influenced by our feelings, by our thoughts, by our demonstrations.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka Kyiad. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki marba modern ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.